Hello everyone, it's Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio, and it is time for my monthly calendar art, planner art, as well as my vlog. And I don't know if people enjoy these vlogs or not, but I thought it was interesting to show you how I've been working in my little cheap, well, free calendar planner thing that my mom gave me that she got from I think it was Boys and Girls Club or something, and how I've been modifying it each month based on theme of the month and making it into something that I like to use. It stays open on my desk all the time. I write all my scheduling for my channel on it, and also like schedulings for hops and things like that. Everything that I have to know at the date or time or whatever is, and what days I need to do videos. I keep it all in that. So it's really more of a planner than a calendar, but it is a calendar style planner. So I wanted to decorate it this month with what I think about August, which is kind of, to me, harvest of vegetable times. There's lots of farmers markets going on and lots of people with fresh vegetables and I even have a new raised planter bed that's a self-watering one. It's about 6 feet long by 3 feet wide, and I've got tomatoes in it. I tried squash and green peppers. I think the peppers are going to be okay, but I had to pull the squash out because every time it made a squash, it just died. I don't know why. So anyway, it's a new thing that my mom wanted to try. My mom doesn't live here, so we are doing it together. And we have had tons of vine ripened tomatoes. They are so nice. I've been making tomato pie and lasagna and tomato sandwiches and BLTs. It's just been great. So that's what my page is about this, the decoration of my planner is for this month. So I'm using some Deco Art Traditions paints. They come in a set. All of them are sitting there together in the set. And I'm just doing those type of colors through different StencilGirl stencils that have pattern and design on them. So as far as the vlog goes, what are we doing? Well, tomorrow starts off the month with the Pick a Stick Challenge page. If you guys still, after all this time, are not familiar with Pick a Stick Challenge, maybe you're new to my channel, it is an art community on Facebook, and we offer 3 one-word prompt randomly drawn challenges. There's an art journal page, a tag, and an ATC, and you look at the one-word prompts, you do them in order, and that's the only rule. You can interpret them any way you could possibly want. So my page for the August challenge, which this month was drawn by Peg, is coming up tomorrow. I'll also have the tag in the ATC sometime in the month. Also, don't forget about our other art community, Peg and I's other art community, which is Art Joy Sharing. And this month, the challenge for the contributing video makers is called hashtag Magnificent Melange. It's just going to be a bunch of short videos focusing on a technique all through the month. So if you search that hashtag, if you can spell it, and anytime in the month, and actually in previous month, you'll come up with videos about techniques, whatever the contributing people in Art Joy Sharing wanted to make. And so those will be coming up in the month. What else do I have? As far as design teams go this month, I have Gina Aaron's design team, and the prompt is hang it on the wall. So it'll obviously be something I can hang on the wall. I don't think I have any other design team stuff this month at all. StencilGirl's at the beginning of next month, so I'm working on it this month, but it doesn't come live this month. So I might have one other company that's sending me some stuff, and also Deco Art just randomly sent me some new paints. So I do plan on making some gel printing videos this month because I have some different weird ideas of gel printing techniques to try. And so I'm going to be making some of those type of videos this month, and I'll probably use those Deco Art paints that I received randomly in the mail. Thank you, Deco Art. So I've put on several layers of different colors and made a really colorful patterned background around my planner page. And now I'm drawing some vegetables, and there's tomatoes and peas and corn and carrots and peppers and mushrooms, all those type of things that you would be harvesting this month in the month of August if you were a really good garden person. And if you're not, it's the things that are fresh in the store or at the farmer's market. So that's what it's all about this month, eating fresh, locally grown produce. Yum, yum, yum. Can't wait to eat it all up. So I was drawing it first with pencil, and then I decided to go over it with my white Posca pen. So that's what I'm doing now. Then at the top I just ended up drawing it with white Posca pen. And then the next step is going to be to paint the negative space. This would be a negative painting, or you could call it that. Instead of painting the things that I drew, I'm painting out the background of the things that I drew. So it's a little bit different technique. And that's what I'm doing now with this light yellow paint. So back to what's going on in the month. Let's see. I will be gone again to Santa Cruz. My youngest son and I are going to drive the U-Haul truck down to Santa Cruz, and then we're all going to get there and unload into the apartment that we found for my middle son, and then we're going to fly back. So I'll be gone for a few days towards the early part of the month. Then, let's see. Sturgeon moon is the moon for the full moon art this month. The full moon is on the 15th. It's the full sturgeon moon, which is a type of fish. I'll have more information about why that is and what other names of the moon there might be, and that will come out probably on the 16th of the month. And also, I have a Facebook art community group that's just for the full moon art, and people are joining and posting their full moon art in that group. I'll have links to all the groups in the description box below, as well as links to all the products I used while I'm doing the art. I'm also at the end of the month, I'll have my animal portrait. I still have suggestions from people, a porcupine or an anteater, a panda, that would be really cute with bamboo, a catamount or a polar bear or a tree frog. I've got lots of suggestions here on my little notepad of animals that I might think about doing at the end of the month. So watch out for that. What else? I'm going to be participating in Pick Your Passion, I think it's called, hop towards the 24th of the month. That will be picking something that I'm really into right now and doing a video about it. And there'll be several people participating in that as well. As far as our live show on Thursdays at 10:30 Central, 8:30 Pacific, we're still going to be doing those, but this next month will be a month of exploring new platforms. YouTube decided that they would be so kind as to just take away the platform that we do our lives on. They just decided to take it away. It's called Google Hangouts. They don't want to have it anymore. So we're going to be trying out this Thursday upcoming a new one called, actually that's today I think, a new one called StreamYard, and hopefully that's going to work out the way we want it. If not, we'll be spending the rest of the month lives working on trying to decide what we're going to do. So there's some other platforms out there we can try, just for fun. As far as my personal life, we're still doing heavy transfusions of chemotherapy on my husband. He has 5 left that are bad. And then we did find out that he will be having chemo for the rest of his life. So that's what they do now, in case you guys didn't know, for cancer. If you are stage 4, you're treated with what they consider medically, which is chemotherapy. Then they do maintenance. So they knock back the cancer as far as they can get it, and then they do what they call maintenance, which is basically continuing chemotherapy for the rest of your life. So that was a little disappointing when we found that out. Like we ask, what is maintenance? Yeah, that's what maintenance is. So that's how that's going. His tumors are shrinking, and They will make them shrink as much as they can with this really harsh 4 chemicals that he's having. And then after that, it will just be a lighter dose of infusions after that. So right now on my page, I have painted out all the background and I'm using ink tints water-soluble pencils, which when they dry after they've been activated with water are permanent, to just add a little bit of the color of the vegetable to make it a little bit more clear what each vegetable is. I got some reds, some greens, some oranges, some yellows, and I'm activating those pencils with my water tank brush just to, give them a little oomph. What else? Oh, I wanted to talk to you guys about Happy Mail. Yes, I want to talk about Happy Mail. I want to talk about thank yous. Let's do the thank yous first. Thank you to the people who've donated this month to my channel using my PayPal donation button. Thank you, Mosaics by M, Linda, Marie, Arlene, and Nancy. I'm so grateful when you donate, and that button is right down there below the video. So here's my Happy Mail pinning up place that I wanted to show you. And I wanted to show you this card from Rennie. This one has been inspiring me all month. It's from a couple months ago, but it's been inspiring me. I also wanted to show you my Happy Mail haul, if you can believe that, from Lori M. Oh my gosh, she sent me a bunch of stuff. And so did Peg Robinson. Lots of stuff. I am so grateful when people send me Happy Mail. I know that's probably not all of it. When I got back from my trip to Santa Cruz, there was a bunch of boxes here, both Happy Mail and things that had been ordered. I also wanted to say thank you to Cindy for sending me a bag to put a travel bag to put all my pins and things in for when I'm at the chemo center. I can do art in my journal during that time. So she sent me a bag that stores all that stuff. And also thank you to Anne for sending me straight from Amazon a gel print Jane Davenport kit that has that cute little mini plate that's shaped like a fin and also has an 8x10 and some other things in it that is from, I think, Jelly Arts. Anne sent me that just randomly. I said I wanted it, and she sent it to me. So I'm very grateful when people do that. Thank you so much, everyone. So I'm just about done with the ink tints now, and I'm going to go back over all the lines with the white Posca pen again and just brighten and thicken everything up as much as I can so that it all stands out really well from the background. And so that's what I'm doing now on the video. Is there anything else I need to talk about? I think I've pretty much done everything that's on my list. So that's it's kind of a short vlog this month, and I'm still working on the page. I will have stuff on my channel that I haven't talked about because I don't know what it is yet. But I'm trying to work back into doing more of what I want to do and less of challenges and things like that I have to do. At some point, you get to the point where you just want to do what you want to do in your art, and I haven't really had time because I've been so busy doing lots of challenges. With I'm not saying I don't love challenges because I do. I absolutely love challenges, and they really do kick me in the pants and get me going in a certain direction, and I enjoy that. But I also just want to do some random stuff. Just go into my studio and say, what am I going to do today? This is what I'm going to do today. So some of those videos will be coming up, and some of them won't be on video because I need a break. A little bit tired, and a lot of the videos on YouTube in the last little while has been talking about burnout, creator burnout. I wouldn't say that I'm burned out, but I would say that my channel is not growing and I'm not getting as many views as I was. And I think that's because of summer. I don't think it's something that I did, but it's always kind of disheartening to have that happen, even if it's just because people are out enjoying themselves in the summer, which you all should be. Absolutely. It's still, you look at your analytics on the channel, you're like, oh, I'm working so hard and I'm not getting the rewards back that I thought I would. So I'm not whining. I'm not complaining. I know that's exactly that's the trend. That's what's going to happen. but I am telling you that I do want to do more of my own stuff. So I will be. Let's see. What else can I say? We're just, oh yeah, I'm into the stamping portion. We're almost done with the page. These are little alphabet stamps, and I stamped August, and then I stamped corn, tomato, peppers, um, whatever little words around and through. After I got done with this, I kind of thought it looked like a tablecloth. It's like, oh, this is going to be so cool, and then I now think it looks like kind of like a tablecloth. So whatever, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give this a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. That's what you really need to do. And here comes your close-ups. That's it for me. Thanks. Bye bye.